Generative AI captures the headlines, but the highest ROI applications of artificial intelligence are currently running in the physical world. In manufacturing and logistics, the environment is highly interconnected, often unglamorous and completely unforgiving. Right now, in a factory somewhere, a turbine is vibrating with a signature that only a sensor can detect. That subtle shift in frequency means the part will fail in exactly 11 days, long before a human inspector would notice. Most plants manage this through reactive maintenance, waiting for a break and fixing it, or preventative maintenance, which involves swapping out parts on a rigid schedule, whether they need it or not. These traditional models create waste or invite disaster. Optimizing these systems requires a level of foresight that is humanly impossible at scale. Yet algorithms alone struggle here because physical reality is too messy for a simple drop-in solution. Success in this environment requires humility from both sides. The data scientist and the floor operator are experts in different worlds, and solving the problem requires them to work side by side. Predictive maintenance bridges that gap by reading continuous sensor data. It tracks real-time variables like vibration, temperature, and acoustic signatures to build a digital picture of the machine's health. Machine learning models use historical failure data to scan these waveforms. They identify the microscopic, invisible patterns that precede a breakdown, flagging the asset for service while it still has operational time left. The AI functions like a cardiologist reading an EKG. While a heartbeat may look regular to a layman, the specialist sees the subtle changes in the waveform that indicate an arrhythmia is building. Rolls-Royce uses this model for jet engines in flight. By analyzing sensor data in real time, they can schedule maintenance before a failure occurs, ensuring engines are only serviced when the data justifies the downtime. When the system predicts a failure, it automatically notifies the scheduler. The turbine gets replaced during a planned pause, preventing an unplanned shutdown that could have halted an entire production line for 18 hours. This technology translates machine signals into actionable data, providing the human worker with the exact foresight needed to intervene with precision. Beyond individual machines, AI manages the massive scale of citywide logistics. Routing a fleet of delivery vehicles through a city of 1 million people involves more combinations than a human planner could ever calculate. Systems use heuristic optimization to find near-optimal routes in seconds. They treat traffic accidents, driver breaks, and last-minute pickups as dynamic inputs, recalculating the math continuously throughout the day. This scale allows UPS to save 100 million miles of driving per year. Similarly, Walmart uses machine learning to manage inventory at the individual store level, integrating local weather patterns and regional events to predict exactly what needs to be on the shelves. This intelligence moves into the physical world through autonomous systems. Amazon's fulfillment robots transport shelving units to pickers, while Foxconn uses computer vision to inspect electronic components for defects at speeds no human could match. These systems eliminate miles of walking for warehouse staff, but they increase the need for human oversight. Workers who once performed manual tasks now manage the exceptions and edge cases that the models cannot handle. Automation shifts the point of human intervention. It moves judgment from repetitive physical labor to the management of the shared ecosystem. Reaching this level of efficiency requires more than a software update. Success depends on redesigning data pipelines, exception handling workflows, and human roles to accommodate the new technology. Data quality remains a primary hurdle. If sensors are miscalibrated or producing noisy readings, the AI will learn the noise, leading to unreliable predictions that can damage equipment or halt production. There is also the trap of local optimization. Minimizing delivery time for one driver can create loading dock bottlenecks. To avoid this, practitioners prioritize interpretability. Operators must debug the logic. A transparent model is more valuable than a complex black box. AI in logistics is an integration problem. The most demanding work involves embedding the models into physical operations and designing the interface where humans and machines collaborate. The skills developed here, from sensor integration to multivariable optimization, are transferable across the entire industry. When one plant solves a problem with model drift or data quality, the whole sector moves forward. The future of intelligent infrastructure depends on technology that supports human judgment. Whether you are an engineer or a warehouse operator, your expertise is the missing piece. Pull up a chair and let's build it together.